Hi guys, I am in the process of sorting my capacitors, and it seems this one are quite bad. They are Philips, all stock Philips, rated 0.47 microfarad at 63 volts, and they read very high ESR, so maybe it is normal. I am not sure, because 1 micro should read 6, and I read, for some of them, I read around 8 or 9, but some other ones are worse, because they do not read as capacitors at all. So this one, for example, so I'm not sure if it is normal or not for this value. As you can see, I read 9 ohm ESR, and the value is not correct. It is 4700 nanofarad, and it reads twice the 1.5 times the value almost. It is weird. So I have one here which does not test as a capacitor at all. In fact, it is detected like a capacitor, but the measure never ends. So there must be something wrong with it. And it ends by saying it is an unknown part. And these ones from the same batch, I have several of them which test like diodes. It is not normal for a capacitor. Another one here. So if it is normal for them to be around 9 ohm ESR for such a little value, maybe I will short them and keep a few of them at least. But they are obviously, some of them are obviously not good. So it will require some sorting. So while I am here, let's test some other vintage capacitors. It will be interesting. So first, here vintage orange capacitor by, I think it is a German brand, ROE. 300 volts this one. Let's make sure it is empty. So it should be quite low ESR. Let's check it. Yes, as you can see, the value is not far from the claim value, and ESR is 1/3 of an ohm, so it seems to be good. Another one here. This one is 1000 micro. This one is even lower ESR, so it is all good. So this should be the same. So this is typically the kind of capacitor you will find in a vintage German-made EFI equipment. This one is good also. What can we test? This is another Philips. 100 microfarads at 25 volts. It should be 0.5 ohm, and yes, this one is good. The wrapper is coming off, but at least it is good. Here we have a specimen from Eastern Germany, Frohlite capacitor. It is polarized capacitor in a nice quality shell. So it is 500 at 25 volts, and it reads very low. The capacitance is little low, but ESR is very good, so not bad. What can we test else? One other crappy vintage Philips. This one, it looks very sad. 2 ohm, it is 2000 nano, so or 2 microfarads. It should be 1.5, it is 2. And at 63 volts, so it is good. It reads 2, it could be 4 at maximum. So no problem here. So this is Iskra, so it is made in Yugoslavia. 10 microwatt, 50 volts. It reads 1 ohm, 10 micro, 50 volts. It is good. Here we have SICK Safco Railsick. Very vintage thing here. 470. Dead code 1984. And look at this, we have 100 micro extra value, low ESR. So 1 or 2 others maybe. This is the old one also. New stock with a little Castle logo on it. Not sure where it comes from. No problem here. You can see we have 35% extra value. So one over Philips 10 microwatt 63 volts. This one looks in good condition. Ten micro 63 volts. So it is good. What else do we have? One more old German thing made in West Germany. ROI Elco RAW 2A model number. And it is all good. Okay, so it is interesting to see how stuff age, particularly when it is new stock, but sometimes it is not good anymore. Well, I have not to complain, only the small Philips seems to have some problems so far. It is 22 micro, it is 27 at 40 volts, 0.8, so it is correct. Okay, so I think I will need to sort out all of this stuff here to keep only the one with read as the capacitor at least, and throw away the other ones. Thanks for watching, bye bye.